Hi guys, welcome to Draw with Jess. I'm Zoe and today we're going to make a cute origami box. For this origami box you will need 2 sheets of paper. You can choose which colour you want to make it, but try and make sure it's thin paper because it's easier to fold. First we're going to fold the bigger sheet of paper in half. Make sure you fold it very well. Sometimes to do this I use my nail and run it over the edge. I find that this helps me. Then we're going to unfold the sheet of paper. We're then going to fold it in half the other way. We're now going to bring all the corners into the middle. So take one corner and fold it over so that it touches the cross in the middle. Do the same with all of the other corners. We're now going to get a ruler and put it against the side of our folded piece of paper. We measure 5 centimetres and put a mark next to the 5. This will help us on the next step. We are now going to fold over so that the top of the fold that we're doing reaches the top as shown. Make sure you fold that very nicely so that you can still see the mark when we unfold it. Once you've unfolded it, you should be able to see the fold mark, like you can see mine. Fold the other bit over and make it fold over so that the top is touching the other fold line. Also fold this one very well. You want to still be able to see the mark. Once you have done that, we want to fold over the unfolded sides and put it over so that you can't see the point on the bit above anymore. So we want to fold it there so that you can see that mark as well. You unfold it and fold the other side so that it's on that mark. Once you've folded that, unfold it. Next, we want to pull out two of them, like so, and fold the other 2 that we've left over, adding that extra triangle to both sides. Make sure you fold it cleanly. Unfold it and do the same with the other side. So once you've done that and unfolded it, you'll have to do the next step. And I found the next step quite tricky when I was first making this. So make sure you watch carefully how I do it. Once you have done it with that side, do it with the other side, exactly the same. Then fold down the part sticking up like so. Once you have done that, repeat the process with the other side. Just like we did with the other side, we fold the sticky bit down and then you've got a box. This will be the lid of your box. And we just repeat the same thing that we did on that one with the smaller paper. Once you have done this, take the lid and put it on your box. It is quite easy to put it on. There, you have your box. Now it's time to decorate it. You should be able to open and shut your box quite easily. Now it's time to start decorating. So, take the box out and you just want to decorate on the lid. I decided to do mine like a bunny, but you can do yours however you want. So first of all, we're going to get a black pen and draw 2 big circles. Try and make them the same size. We're now going to draw 2 smaller circles on the inside of each big circle. Now colour in the big circle, not including the little circles inside. Once we have done that, we're going to draw on the mouth. So I like drawing the mouth in between the eyes, and I'm going to draw the same mouth as I did on my cat one. Draw on 3 little whiskers on either side of the eyes. Get out a pink or red pen. I used a pink highlighter, and draw a few little lines underneath the eyes. This is their cheeks. I am going to draw on eyelashes. You do not need to draw on eyelashes if you don't want to. Take another sheet of paper, and because I'm doing a rabbit, I'm going to draw bunny ears. You don't need to do this part if you're doing a cat, for example. You would just draw 2 little cat ears above the eyes, as you can see on my cat. But because I'm doing a rabbit, I'm going to make the ears stick out the head. Make sure you leave a tab on the end of whatever you're doing. This is so you can fold it over and stick it on top of the lid. Now blacklined and coloured in my ears, folded over the tabs and glued them on top of the rabbit's head. I can now put the lid back on the box and then we're done. That is our complete box. I hope you liked this video.